I'm going to show you how to make your journal look like this. If you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make your journal look like this in calendar form. Yo, what is good, guys? Welcome back for another video. And today, the video that a lot of you guys have been asking me for on how I actually use Notion to journal my trades. Today I'm going to be taking you all through the whole process on how to create your journal, set it up to look exactly like how mine looks. You can see this my trading journal, and it is actually I won't really say it's not actually sophisticated. It's actually very easy to use, very simple. I'm going to show you guys exactly how I created it. Okay, so first of all, what you're going to do is you are going to go here to this option page. You're going to tap on add new. You want to add a new page, so they are going to show you empty page, empty database with AI. First of all, you're going to tap this empty page. You tap empty page, and also our advice you use a laptop to do this, or if you're using a phone, make sure you use desktop sites, because if you're using the mobile site, you will not be able to do this. I doubt you will not be able. Okay, so what you're going to do now is you're going to put in this slash, and you're going to type in view. When you type in view, you're supposed to see they're supposed to give you certain options. Okay, let me try that again. Okay, let's name it trading journal. It's been a while since I did this. Okay, so now I think it's time to type in view. Okay, yes. So you're going to put your title or whatever the heading of what you want to do is. If it's a trading journal or a normal journal, whatever, just put in there. In this case, it is a trading journal. So then when you now press enter and go to the next where you're supposed to start making the whole database, you're going to put there slash, as you can see. Then you're going to write view. Right, so you're going to write view, and you're going to choose table view. You understand? Why are you choosing table view? Because it makes your journal look more professional, cleaner, and now you're actually starting to see it's starting to come out. I'm going to show you how to put in everything. So firstly, in your trading journal, of course, this journal is for your trades. You can have your personal journal on Google. Me, I use Google Notes for writing down how I felt, the psychology and all those. This one is for journaling your trades. So the first section you're going to put in, of course, the pair you're trading. You're going to put in the pair you're trading, right? So let's say XAUUSD. That's your first pair. So here you can write trading journal. So your first section, your first table is going to be, you can put whatever you want here. I don't know, you can just leave it. It's up to you. Your first section is going to be a pair. Second section, you see this plus button right here, you click on the plus button, it gives you a new section, and the next section is going to be just like my journal. I'm trying to recreate my journal. Is going to be date. You can see date right here. So it's going to be date, and if you can see now that your selected date, it is going to just, when you tap date, it will give you this calendar outlook, so you can easily just see today is May 16th. If the trade was taken May 12, you tap May 12, tap it, and you can see XAUUSD gold May 12, 2025. So now we have your pair, you have your date. What else do you want to put in your trading journal? So let me go back to my own personal trading journal so I can see the sections that I put. Yes. So you can see pair, date, bias, setup. I don't know why I can't go for that. I don't know why I can't. Let me try this. Okay, the page. So I see you can't move for some reason. I don't see my information up completely. So bias, setup, confluences. I want to go. I can't. Well, my phone I can. So yeah, I'll show you how you put your pair. Very easy. After you like create a journal, you go to add new, you write in this heading trading journal, then you press enter, then down there you're going to put slash view. You're going to see what's going to come up. Very easy. So now XAUUSD, the pair, the dates. We make sure you write in date, then choose that date there. So it will give you this outlook that is going to be easier for you to put in your dates. Then the next thing we want to put is bias. Okay, and for bias, you're going to put in something, a property here, and the property is called select. So once you just write SEL, you see select. Select is like something, a property that allows you to choose only one option. So you're going to tap on that select, you're going to write edit property. Okay, so you're going to edit property, then you're going to see options. You go to options, you're going to put two options. The first option is going to be buy, because there are two buyers you can have for the day, or there are only two ways the market is going, it's buying or it's selling. Okay, so you're putting buy, press enter. Second bias, sell, or you can write bearish, you can write bullish, whatever you want to do. You press enter. So now you have edited the properties. So now when you come here, you just tap on it. You're going to have two options, to tap sell or to tap buy. You don't need to come in and be typing. You don't need to come in and be typing. Just come, change, tap there, choose the one you want. You can make it different colors. You can make sell to be red. You can make buy to be blue or green. Whatever I want, let's make it green. So yeah, simple as that. Edit it however you want to. Buy, now it's green. Yeah. I think now I can scroll through my trading journal. I just saw something. So now on the one we just created, we have put pair, dates, and bias. So now you can see this. I can scroll through my trading journal. Okay, so we know that in my own journal there is this thing. There is pair, there is date, there is bias. So what else? I have bias, I have setup, I have confluences, I have outcome, RR ratio, P and L. Okay, so now let's keep creating a journal, because there are still other things you need to know. And after that, I'm going to show you how to. This video is going to be long, so make sure you watch to the end. I'm going to show you how to make your journal look like this when you're done. So let me go. I've now actually started using this journal for this. I'm going to show you how to make your journal look like this. If you stick to the end of this video, I'll show you how you can make your journal look like this in calendar form, right? So let's go back to editing the new journal we were editing. Let's leave my personal journal for now. Okay, so we have done the pair, we have done the date, we have done select. Now what next? You tap add. After you're going to change the name of this select. This is the bias. The only reason you put in that select is so you can get that property. So now that you've done it, you're going to write the bias. Okay, bias. And now what's next? Bias. I've already forgotten. Let me go back and look at my bias. After bias is setup, then confluences. Okay, so this is just how exactly my journal is. You can tweak your own, put something first, put whatever you want. So after bias is setup, So setup, remember bias was select, so you can only choose one thing, and setup, you can have different setups, you understand. So what you're going to choose here is multi-select, you understand, multi-select. So you tap on multi-select, then you can change the name to set up. Sorry, you can change the name to set up, and now you add the properties. Create properties, go to edit properties, add an option, let's say order block setup. You can edit it to whatever color you want, enter, then let's say breaker block setup, whatever, you can say FVG, whatever, enter. Now you can do this setup, some people call it entry models, exactly. So I think that's the same thing. So maybe you can call it entry, let's call it entry model. That is the reason for your entry. I just call it setup, but some people can be confused. So now the entry model, you call maybe today I entered with an FVG. You tap your fair value gap. So next thing, confluences. The confluences, remember, you can have different confluences. So again, you're going to make use of multi-select. You're going to edit it to confluences. I'm keeping it in capital letters. I'm just trying to rush. So you remember, you tap on the confluences, go to edit property. Now add an option. Let's say there was what confluence, market structure shift, MSS. Enter. There was breakout structure. Enter. Okay, that's okay. You can have more. I'm just trying to make it fast. The video is already 12 minutes long. Okay, so again, you tap there, you add your breakout structure. What again? Your outcome multi-select again, because it's more than one thing, win and loss. Okay, so I'm going to make it outcome, add an option right away, win, loss. Yeah, so you come to your outcome. What is the win? What is a loss? Say it was a losing trade, you can change your loss to red, change your win to green, so it can look better for you. So now I think this is going to be the last one I'm going to do, because this one I'm basically doing all the important things with their specific properties. So now I'm going to use P and L, and in this one I'm going to use number. Yeah, so I'm going to make it P and L, profit and loss. So you can edit the number, you can edit the type, right, or the number format. So I'm going to use the number format. I'm going to put US dollar. So I'm going to put, remember, P&L, go to number format, US dollar. So now you come for the P&L, simply put your 69, go back, and $69. Simple. Just let the database work it out for you. All you have to do is create it, and from there on it's going to be simple. So this is enough. If you want to add more, just use the properties I've given you. If it's about the number, maybe you want to put like risk to reward is going to be the same thing. You go for number, risk to reward, the number format is going to be I think it's going to be the same thing. Just leave it like that, and at the end, let me see something. Okay, so all you're going to do is just change it right there, risk to reward, or right there RR. So maybe this was the 1 to what, 4, whatever. You understand? I want to see if you can actually make it like ratio. I'm not sure they have ratio option here. I'm not sure. I don't think so. Trying to see this ratio here. Me, no, we don't have ratio. It's all good. Just you know that these are so okay, it has already changed it to 14. Okay, let me go back to my trading journal. I'm actually like onto something because I have my own risk reward here. So I want to see why I used to create it. So that my own risk reward here, I want to see why I used to create it. Ratio. Okay, I used to use decimal points. Yes, I think that's going to work. That's going to work for you. Ratio. Let me see. So my ratio is text. Text. Okay. So for risk reward ratio, so that you can actually put in that ratio, the ratio sign, whatever they call it. You're going to have to change it to text, not number. Text. Yeah. So now you can put there your ratio, 1:4. Yeah. Now you see it works. So I basically showed you everything you need to know, and now I'm going to show you how you can actually make it in a calendar form. So we're going to go there now. You see this thing next to table. You're going to tap plus, and you can see down here calendar. What are you going to do? You're going to tap the calendar, view name, just name it calendar, so you just know that is the calendar form of your journal, right? So show here, show database, show page icon. That's all you need to do. Done. So now you're going to tap on properties. When you have tapped the calendar, you're going to go to properties, and you can see only one property is showing. Okay, what you're going to do is you're going to tap this eye icon for bias, maybe P&L. Those are like the 3 things I show. So if you scroll down on it, you can see XAUUSD by $69, and it's actually that simple. I think like I've been able to explain every single thing, and that's exactly how mine looks like, just like a different things, some other different things. That's why I'm like showing you all you need to know, so you can do it to your own personalization. You can see XAUUSD. Okay, I used to put the outcome bias win 1 to 7, then I put the risk reward 1 to 5, 1 to 6, 1 to 8. So if you guys found this video helpful, make sure you hit the like button and also subscribe to the channel. If there's anything you don't understand, leave it in the comment and I'm going to answer you, and I'll see you guys in the next video.